What? Do you want a cookie, Chloe? Yes? Do you want a cookie? I can give you one more. Okay.
Look at your nose twitching.
There you go. There's your cookie. More? Okay, one more. Yes, okay. What? What? What are you doing with that tongue? I see some bad boys over there. What are they doing? What are those two up to?
Oh, there's Bear. So fun.
Joey, you're being bad, Amaretto.
Oh, they're still at
Yep, they're at it. I've got it on video. They're like, meow.